Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Esic portal with your UAN and password. Make sure OTP-capable mobile is handy. Once logged in, navigate to Member, then Update Details. This saves time. Prepare scanned ID and address proof in advance so you can upload immediately, and select the correct document type. If you don't see options, clear cache and try another browser. By starting here, you avoid back and forth and ensure the portal accepts your files without delay. Now you edit the specific fields that require updating: name, date of birth, and address. You must type exactly as shown on your ID to prevent rejection, so double-check spelling and format. Next, upload the supporting document and use the portal's preview to crop or rotate if needed. Poor scans cause denials. Once uploaded, click Save and then Request Verification, so Esic begins their verification. Make sure you see the pending status, otherwise repeat the upload immediately. To finish, submit the update request and record the application ID shown on screen. This is your reference. You'll receive portal notifications and an SMS or email when verification completes, so monitor both. If Esic rejects the update, the reason will be listed. Read it carefully, correct the exact issue on your document or field, and resubmit. As a troubleshooting tip, if uploads fail repeatedly, try converting the file to a different format, PDF versus JPG.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.